The signs of a hypocrite. Narrated by Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the signs of a hypocrite are 3. Number 1. Whenever he speaks, he tells a lie. Number 2. Whenever he promises, he always breaks his promise. Number 3. If you trust him, he proves to be dishonest. If you keep something as a trust with him, he will not return it. A similar hadith has been narrated by Abdullah bin Amr. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever has the following 4 characteristics will be a pure hypocrite, and whoever has one of the following 4 characteristics will have one characteristic of hypocrisy unless and until he gives it up. Number 1. Whenever he is entrusted, he betrays. Number 2. Whenever he speaks, he tells a lie. Number 3. Whenever he makes a covenant, he proves treacherous. Number 4. Whenever he quarrels, he behaves in a very imprudent, evil and insulting manner.